Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So today I can tell you one best website there you can earn a profitable income, where you can generate a profitable monthly income in online. Yes, absolutely, there are online you earn profitable income. So firstly, like this video and subscribe the channels. Just first of all, you search in your Google SEO fast fast RU SEO fast 2, and then enter search your Google. Then here you can see this website https.seo tool. You enter this website, click and enter. When you enter this website, you look like this dashboard like this. This website, firstly, this Russian website. So their language, first of all, chosen Russian, but you choose this English. Here you can see now the dashboard language is English. Then selected English, you choose registration. Click the registration button and go through this second page, and there you can select your nickname, whatever you want your based on your name. You select a nickname and then select your email. You want to select your anything email, at gmail.com. This is as example email.com. Okay, when you can select your username and email and choose your one selected. There I am selected this. Once selecting this icon, and then you can click register. You remember, you only create one device, one IP, only one account on SEO Fast 2. If you create multiple account in this SEO Fast 2, you will be banned. So please be careful of on this. When select registration, then you can go Gmail. The OTP was sent in SEO First 2, and then you can go Gmail and confirm your email, and then you go to login entrance option, and, and select email uh, what you create email you how to use to create SEO First 2 account. You can see your password in your email section after you confirm your email address. So enter your password and then click entrance and go to your SEO First True account. So today was that's the first video of my channel. Click subscribe this button, and I will upload the second part of this video. So stay tuned of this video. I'll upload a second video of SEO First True. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.